Welcome back, it's V, let's go. Today I'm revisiting a product I've already reviewed due to a recent firmware update that's worth covering. The company asked for a follow-up review to walk through the latest update and overall experience. This is the CarpodGo T3 wireless CarPlay, which can be picked up off Amazon for around $180. At the price point, it remains one of the best wireless CarPlay devices available right now. In my experience, the performance has been consistently reliable compared to the competition. There have been reports of issues with the backup camera, which I personally have not seen. In this video, I will cover how to download and install firmware updates step by step. I'll also walk through the features, the changes, and what's included with the update process so you know exactly what to expect. Inside the box, you get everything you need to set up the system in about any vehicle. This includes the wiring for the rear view camera, which draws power through the taillights. You also get a Bluetooth adapter designed for older vehicles, which doesn't have Bluetooth. Additional accessories for the rear view camera installation are also provided. I do have a backup camera, so I don't need to go through the installation process here. The box also includes a mounting arm that works with most dashboards. You get the main unit itself, which features a clean, high-quality display. A USB-A to C adapter is included for firmware updates. There are multiple mounting plates and brackets designed for windshields and various dashboard layouts. Adhesive strips are included for proper cable management. A car charger with an integrated on and off button is also included. The cable length is pretty generous, about 10 to 15 feet. The charger itself includes a single USB-C port, which may be limiting if you need multiple ports. But the head unit will work with any USB-C cable plugged in. You'll also get the instruction manual connecting everything together, showcasing how everything works. Right now, this is hands down the best wireless CarPlay device you can buy right now. The screen is bright, vibrant, and overall very nice to use. It features an 8.9-inch display, and the viewing angles are excellent. One of my favorite design choices is the magnetic mounting system on the back. It's simple, quick, and incredibly convenient to use. You can easily remove the unit, store it in your glove box, and completely forget it's there. That means if someone is looking to break into your car, there's nothing visible to steal. The magnetic mount itself is extremely strong and holds the unit firmly in place. Once attached, it's not going to go anywhere. As for the ports, you have a variety to choose from. You get a USB-C port for power, and any Type-C cable will work. There's a microphone input and a headphone jack for audio. You also have a dedicated port for the backup camera. You have an extra USB-C port for firmware updates. Overall, the user interface is clean and responsive. I reviewed many wireless CarPlay units in the past. Most suffer from slow, clunky software. This unit uses its own custom interface that feels lightweight and optimized. The display is a 720p resolution. It gets up to about 600 nits of brightness, making it easy to see in daylight. One standout feature is the 60Hz refresh, which makes the interface feel noticeably smoother. It's also locked in at 60Hz, so it doesn't have any frame rate drops. The unit includes quick access buttons for CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and settings. For customization, you can change the front badge or the background image, and that's really about it. The interface is intuitive, easy to use, and avoids unnecessary clutter. My only minor complaint is related to switching audio sources. When switching from Bluetooth to radio, aux, or speaker out, the system does need to reboot. It's just a small nitpick, but worth mentioning. Once it's paired with a phone, the unit will connect in about 5 to 10 seconds. If anyone has an older car that doesn't support CarPlay whatsoever, it's especially useful if you want a larger display without replacing the factory head unit. For navigation and music, the larger screen makes a huge difference compared to just using a phone. Overall, the user experience is excellent. As we move past the holiday season and everyone is rushing to get everything done, it's never too late to stop and pick up a good book. Even with everyone going a million miles and challenging the speed of light to a foot race, it's still important to pause and look around. Sometimes we need a break, in the car, at work, or on the couch. Just because life be lifting a little bit too hard. Books pull us out of the chaos and drop us into new worlds with new characters doctors who honestly might be handling life better than we are. With Audible, you can experience all that without even pretending you have free time. Anywhere you travel, the kitchen, the office, or that one spot on the couch that has your body imprint, your story goes with you. With just one tap, you can launch straight into the multiverse. It could be sci-fi, fantasy, thriller, action, or comedy. Try Audible today. You get 30 days free. Cancel anytime, and after that, it's just $14.95 a month, which is like 2 fancy coffees. So maybe it's time to give your brain a vacation, especially since your PTO is already gone. Try it today. It could be like a life-changing race at the speed of light. To update the software, it's actually really easy. The company specifically asked me to walk through the firmware update process. You'll need a flash drive or some form of storage. In my case, I'm using a memory card connected to a USB adapter. I'll have the link down below where to update the software. You download the latest firmware file from the support section. These updates primarily improve the backup camera functionality and address a few other small minor bug fixes. I recommend installing firmware updates. You'll see 3 folders, and only those 3 are required. Copy those folders directly to the USB-C flash drive, plug it into the USB-C port on the device, power on the unit, go to firmware updates, and from there it will start updating. It will take about 5 minutes for the updates. The system will reboot a few different times, and after that it's good to go. The updates mainly address the backup camera improvements along with a few general bug fixes. Thankfully, the process is quick, easy, and painless. From start to finish, the entire update process takes about 15 minutes. I've been testing this unit in real-world driving conditions. I like to do real testing to see how it really performs. Initial pairing to start up takes about a minute. From the moment you turn on your vehicle, it takes about 15 seconds to fully connect. By the time you're pulling out of your driveway, everything is already up and running. I've tested other units which can take a few minutes just for the startup. This one is really quick. This makes a great option for older vehicles that don't support CarPlay. If any older vehicle does not have Bluetooth, you can use the Bluetooth adapter for wireless connectivity. You can do music, navigation, and calls without plugging anything into a phone. Going into 2026, everything should be pretty much wireless. It behaves just like factory wireless CarPlay in modern vehicles. I don't normally see disconnects or random issues here. The best way to describe this, it's simple and reliable. Once you set it up, it just works. As I've mentioned in my initial review, I still consider this the best wireless CarPlay device out there. I've reviewed other units like this out there, and those have had issues. This one keeps everything simple and easy. You don't need to install anything crazy in your car. You just plug it in and it goes. The best feature I like about this is the magnetic mounting system on how easy it is to remove and store it in the glove box. With this, wireless CarPlay works extremely well. Wireless audio streaming to your vehicle is also reliable. For what this device is designed to do, it simply works. As always, it's your host, it's V, stay classy.